there's a magic mushroom called the Amanita muscaria, and it's like a red one with white dots on, and it's the Christmas mushroom. You see it on Christmas wrapping paper and as an ornament and things like that. And people talk about in Siberia, but all over the world really, or maybe not all over the world, but in the colder countries, even like in the UK, these mushrooms grow in forests near Christmas type trees. This mushroom has chi in it, which is Christ energy, and if you take it in a certain way, it basically ascends your kundalini up to the top, and it makes you enlightened. And people would they would do this as a ceremony at Christmas, because Merry Christmas actually means Mary and Christ en masse. Enlightenment is about the unification of the masculine and your feminine energies within to become whole or holy. Your soul needs to become whole and holy, and you need to marry your masculine and feminine energies within to become an enlightened master. And this is what Jesus did. This is what Mary Magdalene did. This is what the Ascended Masters, Buddha, Muhammad, they all did it. Krishna, they all did it. So this mushroom shortcuts you to become an enlightened master if you take it in a certain way. And people used to do it around Christmas time to become Christs en masse, because the word Christ is actually a title meaning anointed one. So what it means is we can all become Christs. We can all become not the Christ, but a Christ like Jesus did, which means attain Christ consciousness, attain our highest consciousness in this body on this plane. And so people used to do that at Christmas time, and they would take these magic mushrooms. And it's possible that Jesus did take magic mushrooms, because there's lots of images on like stained glass windows of them holding mushrooms. Moses, when he talked to God through the burning bush, that burning bush was weed. It was marijuana that was burning, and they basically hotboxed a tent, and he spoke to God. These plant medicines were given to us as gifts from God so we can experience the divine, so we can remember our true nature and find God again, and remember how to ascend again. And that's why they're all illegal. And so the Egyptians used to use blue lotus, and so there's many different ways. The Druids used to use mistletoe, and there's plenty of plants that will get you back to God if you know how to take them properly.